In this video, I want to set an Agbada design. So I want to show you the process on how to set Agbada design. This is the design I just finished on this machine right now. So I'm setting the Agbada design on the Fair monogram machine. So I want to show you guys how I set Agbada design, and the Agbada design will be on the body of the Agbada. Is not going to be on plain material. So I will show you in this video. So if you know you'll be interested, watch. So this is the fabric I'm doing the Agbada design on, and this is a full Agbada body. This is the Agbada, the fabric, Agbada fabric. So the first thing I will do is to get the center of the fabric. So I have to make sure it is equal from the bottom. The bottom is equal. Then this is the center. Make sure it is equal here as well. Then I will notch. So I'm creating a hole here. Now the next thing is to place it, pin it on the machine. Place the fabric on the machine. You can see that this is a very full fabric. This is like 3 years or so, or 4 years. I can't remember how many years they use for Agbada, but as you can see, it's very full. So this is what I do. I will make sure this is the center line. This is the center line of the fabric, and I will this machine is already at the center. Let me put the number. I want to put the number 1 needle at the center, and this light is not well placed even though I'm not using it. So send it back. So you can see on the screen, I hope it's showing. Let me check. Okay, so as you can see on the screen, this is the center of the frame. The frame is at the center, so definitely this needle is at the center of the machine, of the frame. So I'm going to set this line now to be at the center, at the bottom of the needle. So to be in a way that when I set it, it will, when I bring down the needle, I mean, it will be on the line. So that's what I'm going to do. The next thing is to start the design. I'll click on the start button. The needle breaks. Okay. So I have to fix the needle.